What up? It is your girl, Raina Raya, or Raina Rayan, whatever you prefer to call me, as long as you call me something. You dig? I know you dig. We're doing another Shein haul. No, they have not sponsored me yet. And it's okay. I know I need to get the views up. I know I need to get the people, the eyes, but we're doing a Shein try-on haul today. This one isn't really in any one particular category. It's kind of just random. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get into it. We have tops, bottoms, sets, and some dresses, okay? Just ignore whatever mess you see over here in this corner because it's none of your concern. Stay here with me. Let's start with top. So I saw this little like heart top, and it's cute because it's a broken heart. Let me put this part of it. It's a broken heart. Now I'm still kind of lost as to how to wear it correctly, but when I try it on, you'll see it. I'll make sure to drop the size, but it's very stretchy. The chain is cold as hell, obviously, but it's a cute concept. I really think it's a cute concept. In theory, yes. In practice, no. But I think I figured it out. And if not, I still found a way to wear it that didn't look dumb. If it looked dumb, tell me in the comments, please. Next top, we got a brown little number, a little halter. It looks like a little scarf. And this is the back of it. Now I know you like, it's cold outside. What is it saying? I ain't gonna lie, I be cold all the time. It is what it is. But yeah, this shirt is kind of see-through and it's a little thin. So the bottom of it, I didn't like how it's stuck up and out. You'll see it when I try it on. I'm like, I feel like this could have been better. I might be adhering it wrong. I might be sticking it to my body, yada wrong. But if that's the case, then somebody tell me how to put it on, because I don't like the way the bottom looks. But overall, it's a cute color, and I like the way it feels. It's a good material. It's just thin. We got another brown piece. This one is definitely more appropriate for the season, okay? This is a halter, and it's knit. It's not like that knit you gonna find like, somebody in one of their shops. Like somebody really took the time to make this. It's stretchy, but it's just not thick. It's not thick at all. But it's cute. When I put it on, I was like, oh, I like that. So I definitely will be wearing this one. This isn't one I'm like, oh, I'm gonna take this back or I'm gonna like resell it or something like that. This has potential and it looks good on my chocolate skin. We're going Y2K on these hoes. It's a mesh, grayish, bluish, tintish, weirdish color shirt with the one sleeve hanging off kind of. And it's cute. I like it. The mesh feels good. It's nice and soft and it's stretchy as hell. And I like the way it look on me too. I said, oh, I'm showing up and I'm showing out. Have you seen any of my other Shein hauls? If not, here's a playlist where go look at those after this video or right now if you're getting bored with this one. Thank you. All right, next top. We got a nice little, oh, no, let's not do that one. We have this thing here. And I don't know what I was thinking when I got it. I feel like I was trying to be adventurous, but I do not wear stuff like this, like outside. But when I'm really feeling it, had them out, you know what I mean? It's very, like, you see the stretch? Very stretchy. This is big friendly. I would go as far as to say that. This is big friendly. And the string is, it's a string. But I think I like the way it was cute. It was cute. I didn't wear a bra with this. Big friendly. It's not saggy girl friendly. Let me specify that. If you got big, you know they sag, or you don't have big but you know they sag and you don't care, this is for you. But if you do care, don't get that top. We're going to move on to my athleisure, athletic, whatever. We got a little sports bra, a little bristle. It's stretchy. It's supportive, but like I would still wear a bra under this. But that just might be me. I can't just be wearing a sports bra to the gym. I be running on that treadmill and my be hurting. They don't even be going like crazy, but it be hurting, so I need double up. I would not think this is a material that you would wear as a real bra, but maybe a Wix moisture. I don't know. We'll have to find out. There's not much else to say about this. It's just a sports bra. And then I got this white top, and to me, the material does not give athletic. Like, I don't feel like I would wear this in the gym, but I might. You never know. But it's stretchy, if you can tell. If I pop out with some pics on Instagram, by the way, then we'll see and you'll see it. Last top. Y'all, I'm out of breath. There's a little jacket. It's a black jacket. It's long sleeve and it's like a turtleneck and it's a zip up and it's a crop. It checked off 3 boxes. The material is pretty thin. I feel like if you sweat a lot, this is not for you because even though it's black, you would definitely see it sweat through this, whatever material this is. Let me look. Polyester. It's polyester. So if you wanna go crazy, don't wear that. That's something you go to the gym in, take it off, work out, and put it back on and then leave. So got workout bottoms because 2023 is all about physical health. So I'm gonna show you the bottoms. First thing we have are these scrunch butt brown and black tie-dye shorts. And let me just say this, no. And let me tell you why it's a no. First of all, it's thin, which is cool with me. The band isn't like super duper long, but the problem is the cuff at the bottom is too tight. Like the shorts fit, but the cuff at the bottom is way too tight, so it makes my legs look weird. And I just, no. This is something I would send back if I could. In theory, like if I had a size bigger, this might be it for me, but because I don't have a size bigger, it's a hard pass. I look crazy as shit. Next pair, I felt inspired and got kind of the same thing, but not really. These are a bit bigger. They're also a scrunch butt, and they are like a gray, marble-ish, blackish. These, I dislike the cut a little bit of more because there's more band in the middle, and I just feel like for me, I don't need a lot of band because I don't have a lot of torso. Okay? But either way, I'm gonna still wear these hoes to the gym. I'm gonna still wear them to the gym though, because the ass gonna look right. That's all that matter. Next pair, I got some pretty blue leggings. They're also scrunch butt. I don't know if all of them are just scrunch butt nowadays, but yeah, the band is kind of high on this one, but whatever. And they're a bit short for me. my legs is long. I am 5'6.5" on a good day. On a bad day, I'm just 5'6". I just love them. They look so cute. They feel good too. I don't really care for the scrunch butt type of material in between your ass cheeks, but you know, keep it on theme with the blue and the marble. Boom, a combo. It's a scrunch butt, but it's not a real hard scrunch butt, so I felt like these looked and felt the best on. Could be wrong, but I really like these ones. Like I would probably wear these the most. Like this would probably be my go-to. Reaching for like leggings in my closet, I would go for these because these are soft, they are thin, and they are breathable. So you don't have to worry about just, I don't know, stewing in your pants. Yeah, I like these. Their stretch isn't like super crazy. Now these leggings, I'ma just let you know, is a hard pass for me because they're too small and they're too short. It was really hard to get on, and when I got them on, I wasn't happy with the way they looked. But maybe if I got a bigger size, this would be okay. It's got the scrunch butt thing going on like they always do. The stretch is a little bit more. They're thinner, so they're breathable, which is cool. It just doesn't fit. Gotta cut your L's where you can. Now I got these weird little, also scrunch butt, like V-cut in the back pants, and they are flare leg and they're gray. They're thin, but I wouldn't necessarily say they're like super see-through, but we'll find out when we actually watch the video back. I don't really care for these, I guess because I was stepping out and trying something new, and it just feels weird. It didn't quite settle in with me yet, and I think maybe it's because they're slightly, the way they fit, I don't know, but there are some girls that pull it off so well. There's this girl on TikTok who wears those, and then when I got on, I was like, I don't think I needed these. You know? These pants I hate. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna pick them up because I thought that was gonna be so cute. Like, if I could put a picture of the model, I'm gonna put that in here first so you can see that. And then I got them. They just look like fucking trash bags. I didn't even know they had a cutout like for the knee. This shit is just all weird and like scrunchy and big and garbage bag like it ain't cute at all. And it's a size small and it still don't fit. Maybe it's not cute because I don't know how to wear them. If I can send those back, I'm sending them hoes back. Maybe I'll take some pictures in there first, just so I can get clowned on Instagram. So I had to go dig in the closet for this dress because I was playing in it. This dress was giving scuba diver, sexy swimming suit, sexy something. Here it is. Look. Okay? But it's got little finger holes, a nice turtleneck to it, and it fits like a glove. I just feel like it's one of those move-some dresses. So if you're a thick woman and you're trying to shake your rump, you better wear leggings or like stockings or something underneath it because baby, your whole booty gonna be out and whatever you got in the front. I know because I was trying to move my little booty and it didn't go as planned. So just a warning, it's cute and it feels nice and it's a nice material, but unless you're trying to flash people for the free, be careful. I've been seeing these little dresses like all over the internet, so I decided to get some. And also, me holding this up, it's just gonna look like a scrink of fabric. So you'll see it when I have it on. And the first thing I want to point out about this dress is it's beautiful. It makes me feel so sexy when I have it on. Like, it makes me feel like that bitch. And I just love a good brown dress on me. When it's that dark, deep chocolate on me, I just love it. I eat it up every single time. The problem with this dress is that it is extremely see-through. If you did this like starfish style, you would see everything underneath the dress. Try to wear underwear with these. I know there are cuts on the sides, up the leg, but I try to wear underwear with this because if you don't want your shit to be exposed, you would take my advice. But it's such a pretty dress and it feels so soft and it looks so good. It doesn't do too much. It does just enough. And then a little sprinkle of a little extra on top of that. With that being said, I got that one and then I got a similar one in red. Okay. The material on this one is a bit thicker. It is still see-through, but it's not as see-through as the brown one. I'm telling you. And it just looks so good. Like, it's giving holiday tease. It's giving somebody marry me. Or at least take me home. I'm ready to move on to sets. I don't know why it was giving me like a flapper or like 1920s because I don't even think they wore this, but I think the men do wear the pinstripes, so it gives me that. It's like this pinstripe set with these flare leg pants, and the pants surprisingly fit really good, and this little vest that also fits pretty good. I don't know why I like this so much. It's not my typical style, but it is so cute to me. If you couldn't tell, it's not one of those items that has stretch, but it does fit really well. I don't think I sized down. I think I got a small in this, and it fit perfectly. Like the leg length, the waist, everything was good. You know, I still probably got a little room in it to grow if I want to, but I don't need to. You know what I mean? So it's a cute little vibe. I don't know where I wear that. I probably just get pictures in it, honestly. But who knows? Who knows? Anything can happen. So yeah, next sort of kind of set, not really. This little ribbed gray one piece, it's not my favorite. It doesn't fit. It fits more like I'll go to bed in it. I don't know if that means I need a size smaller or if this is just not built for me. And that's okay if it's not built for me. Everything ain't for me. And some of y'all need to understand everything ain't for you, and it's okay. We all have different shapes, so there are certain items that don't look as good on us as it would on somebody else. It's just the way the companies are designed. I'm not saying that it's right. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying that's a fact. This little white set is giving me everything I need. I had a white set, wasn't similar to this because it didn't have a skirt, but it's just of the same material and it's so soft. The turtleneck is stretchy. It's stretchy. The skirt fits so good. It's got a little slit in the side, and not only is it a turtleneck crop, but it also has like the flared out sleeves, and then it's just so cute. Like, oh my god, I'm eating this up. I'm living for it. I love it so much. All right, the last thing is like a 3-piece set. So you got the skirt, and I know y'all probably like, girl, you done bought this color like 17 times. I know, I like the color and I eat it up every time, so get off my back. There's a skirt that fits really good, surprisingly, because, you know, I'm a little petite thing, but not really. I'm skinny, but I'm taller, on the taller side. And then there's the top that goes with it, the little sweater that go on top of it, and you can dress this up or down. This is good quality. Like, this is dense. It is heavy. It has a stretch to it a little bit, surprisingly. It just is so damn thick. You gonna be hot wearing that. Like, I would wear just the top and the bottom and then wear the sweater maybe on my shoulders or something, because girl, that back starts, you gotta come up out of it because it's hot. Or you need to fight somebody, just slide it off your shoulders like that. Like, what the fuck you say, you know? Quit trying to act all uppity. You know what I'm talking about. That's the end of the clothes. I did actually get nails. I'm gonna just show you them real quick. I had like 8 pairs. I'm not showing you. I'm not going into detail. I'm gonna pull them out. This is the first one that I got. Hopefully this is in focus. They are matte and they are cute. These are also really cute. They are simple from the same little brand. And these are all like $2 or something like that. These I'm excited for. I don't know why I'm so excited for them. I don't know, because they look so good. Like, they look of high quality and they're just cute. They're just a cute little vibe. These, because I've been seeing this little pattern everywhere. And then I got the ones in black. I don't know why it's turned over like that. Don't ask me why that one nail is flipped. It's probably my fault somehow. These, I don't know how they gonna look, to be honest, because of how low the paint is, but we'll see what we can do with them. And if we can't do nothing with them, then we'll take them off. These, because I have an obsession with this little chrome. I had a chrome knife. I got a chrome teapot. I got a couple of other chrome things. I don't remember right now. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with these for real because these are big as shit. So maybe I'll cut them because these are huge. But yeah, that's it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked any of the items and you want to purchase them, I left them all down below. Anyways, bye. Oh, I do have one more question to ask you, all of y'all. Who gonna pop me? Who is going to pop me? Oh, that's right. No freaking body. Y'all can finally have a good night. Because I always record at night. I thought I was breaking the habit, but it just feels too damn good. Bye.